Hello guys, good evening. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. Please, as you're watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share and comment. We are still on the topic motion, and I've solved a lot of questions on motion, and you have on the board two questions on motion. We have to solve the instantaneous velocity and the instantaneous acceleration respectively. And the first one says calculate the instantaneous velocity at 7 seconds of a rocket undergoing uniformly accelerated motion if the position is given as s equals 5t plus 2t squared. S here means distance, which is usually in what? Meter. Then t is what? The time. Now, instantaneous velocity means the actual velocity, that is the actual velocity at a particular time. Okay, now to calculate for that, I have that s is equals what? 5t plus 12t squared. Now, before you solve this, you have to differentiate. In differentiating, you have that s. Now, there's an invisible one here, and according to the law of differentiation, since I have 1, it is usually 1 minus 1. Now this one is minus what? 1. Therefore, if I have 1 minus 1, it is what? 0. So t raised power 0 is 1. Then 5 times 1 is what? 5. Plus, now since I have these two here, these two multiplied, it becomes what? 24. That is 2 times 24. Then 2 minus 1 is what? 1, which means that t raised power 1, which is what? T. Now this s is equals what? 5 plus. Now they said that the time is what? 7, which means that 24 open bracket what? 7, which to say that s is equals 5 plus. Now 24 times 7. 7 times 24 is what? Or 28. Read that 8 carry 2. 2 times 7 is 14 plus that 2. 16, that is 168. Therefore, s is equals 173. All right, so meter per what? Second. That is instantaneous what? Velocity. The SI unit of instantaneous velocity is what? Meter per second. So that is what we have as the answer. Then as for number 2, the velocity of a space shuttle is time given us v equals 25 plus. Now we have to calculate for the instantaneous velocity. In doing that, since I have that v equals 25 plus 3t squared. Now in differentiation, every figure that stands alone, we call it constant, and it's what? 0. It is 0. Now in differentiating this, we are using the same method. That is, this will becomes 2 times 3, you have 6. Then 2 minus 1 is what? You now have that 3 raised power 1, which is what? 6t. V is equals, the t given was what? 9. Which means that wherever you see t, you put what? 9. Which means that 6 times 9 equals v equals what? 54 meter per second. Alright? So please, that is what we have as the answer. If you do not understand, if you have more questions, or if you have questions to ask, just drop it on the comment section and I will attend to read carefully. Please have a wonderful night rest and thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.